Yeah, this is an easy way to do something else with a use or with an old paint bucket or a can. You can use this thing on cans as well. All you gotta do is, instead of trying to wipe it down with water and soap, you can just let the paint dry inside the bucket or the can. Once it's fully dry, just pull it on out, and you'll have a little paint left over, but you can go back and get that with like a towel or a sponge or whatever. But this is real easy. You just let it fully dry, and then you just pull it right on off, and after that, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Me, I use it for extra tool storage rather, and other people they use it and create works of art. Uh, just different things inside the house. If you could read my blog post that I recently made, I shared a couple of articles and let different people doing different stuff with old paint cans and buckets. So hopefully this help you out, and you can maybe do something with your old paint cans and buckets.